Light right up here above this guest shower. See what it looks like. Here's what it looks like now. Little yellow incandescent bulb. I took the old light. It has a bulb in a little tray similar to this one, and it has a little dome that just hangs there, so I'm going to screw the adapter in there. I suppose it just pushes up. It's not a fixed dome. And then this will screw up into it. Just a dome will fit on top of this. If you look here, there's the 5-inch side and there's the 6-inch side. The top, this is already in the arrow, the 6-inch side. 6-inch pointing to the left, so it's on the widest, which is what I have. Okay, I've attached a little insert just hanging there. I'm just going to push it up and bend those clips and hang it on. Well, it was easy to push up. It's nice to see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a lot brighter. That's nice. Shut these windows so you can take a look at it. I wonder if she'll like it. You can see in this master bath, I have one over the shower. It recesses at an angle. It's got a CFL bulb. And then we've got one over the tub. I got CFL bulb also. Kind of yellow too. The housing over the bath is a little different. The whole canister comes out and it clips in there. So there will be no dome, and this one will have a clip into the same hole, and then the arms will go up inside. So these things just fold up and they clip inside that existing housing. There's little clips on the side, each one for them. It's been the clip, and there's a pre-mounted arms on there to hold on to, and I just took the adapter, there was a clip, another clip up there, and just held it in so I could push the dome up. Okay, have the old one out, have the new one in. Let's take a look at it. Ooh, nice and bright. I don't know why we were so dark in here. Okay, we're going to try to replace that one. We got a third light coming out of the shower. And third type of housing. This one, the screw is attached and it has the regular clips on the side. Got some vent holes in there too. I mean, I'm not saying it happened at our house, but we did have a silverfish fall out of there one time. You can see why. It's just got this housing, it's wide open. It's basically wide open to the attic. So these LED lights actually just seal everything off. You can't get through. It's all closed. Install, nice flush, fit very easy. Let's see what it looks like. CFL, of course, takes a long time to warm up. Got the Maxxima style light. Ooh, turns right on, nice. That's a shaving light right there. Whoo, that's bright. That's pretty cool. We turn all the lights on in the bathroom, which we don't necessarily need. Kind of see, oh, got a bulb out there, yellow, really bright. This one, oh, that's nice. Okay, a sunlight looking color to it, daylight looking color. Okay, very good. Thumbs up. In the master, we have 4 up here. I'm going to leave for a second. And I'm going to change this one in the corner. It's always dark over there. And see what the difference will be. On this final light, this didn't come off at first, and I realized on these connectors, you have to squeeze them off your old connector too to get them out. Again, this one I'll just hang up here in this clip just to get it out of the way because it doesn't attach.